Hello my friends. Today we have new lesson about letter K. Are you ready? Let's start. Here, the shape, I'm reminding you the shape, the sound, some few words and how to write letter K. Let's start. That's the shape of K. That's letter K. This is the shape of K. K sounds like K. K. K is for kick. Can you kick the ball? K is for kitchen. Who wants to go to the kitchen and cook something? Kitchen. K is for kitchen. Where do we prepare some meals and we prepare food inside the kitchen? Okay, K is for kite. Kite, we play with the kite at the beach, or you can play with it anywhere. Kite. K is for kettle, where we boil some water to have a hot drink. Kettle. K is for king. King. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Key. Key. Kitten. Baby cat we call kitten. Meow. You like to play with kitten? Today's lesson is finished. See you next class. Bye.